Thinking Math, Bunny Counting Carrots with Dolphin Class. Today, the baby Shark Tank learners of Dolphin Class enjoyed an exciting thinking math lesson through the fun activity Bunny Counting Carrots. The children became little bunnies and explored numbers through hands-on learning and playful experiences. Navy was excited to help the bunny find the correct number of carrots. She carefully counted each carrot and proudly completed the challenge. Rocky demonstrated excellent observation skills. He quickly recognized different quantities and successfully matched numbers with the correct groups of carrots. Penguin stayed focused throughout the activity. He enjoyed arranging the carrots from the smallest quantity to the largest. Penguin also confidently answered the teacher's questions and enthusiastically shared his results with friends. Through the bunny counting carrots activity, our baby Shark Tank learners were able to become familiar with numbers in a natural and enjoyable way, develop logical thinking and memory skills, strengthen observation and classification abilities, improve fine motor skills through sorting and arranging activities, build confidence while participating in group learning experiences. How can math become more enjoyable for young children? By using interactive games, colorful visuals, and hands-on activities that allow children to learn through play and exploration. What did our baby Shark Tank learners discover today? They practiced counting, recognizing numbers, comparing quantities, and developing early mathematical thinking skills. At Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, our Thinking Math program is designed using modern educational approaches that help children learn through exploration, hands-on experiences, and meaningful play every day. Only at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. Our children are proudly called Baby Shark Tank. Let the baby come. 'Cause the Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool belongs to them. A high-quality international education system providing lasting value for future generations. Parents, how many numbers can your little one count already? Share in the comments below and let Baby Shark know.
I'm just tryna know you like a secret. Baby, if I find your heart, can I keep it? Meanwhile, can I dive in your waters until I reach it? Float all off in your waves till I see sick. If I was your NIGGA, we have a lot of sex and blow bags all day. Dripping skin to skin while we lay and conversate. You never get it twisted, 'cause you know I keep